Good morning, class. In the previous lesson, we have learned about fertilization. Now, today we are going to know about the location of testes and the location of ovary. We are also going to know about the diagram, about the male and the female cells. First, let us understand the location of testes. The testes, also known as testicles or male gonads, lie behind the penis in a pouch of skin called scrotum. So outer covering, we have already done that, but outer covering, a sac-like structure that we have learned in a previous lesson, that is the scrotum. So it lies behind the penis in a pouch of a skin called the scrotum. Now this is the structure of a sperm cell, a simple, a head, the midpiece and the tail region. And children, we were learning about, and I told you in the June class about mitochondria. Where is it present? The mitochondria is present in this region. This provides energy, and this helps in the movement of the sperm cell, that helps to move into the woman reproductive part. Next now, location of ovary. So they are paired organs located on either side of the uterus within the broad ligament below the uterine or the fallopian tubes. So they are located either side of the uterus within the broad ligament below the uterine fallopian tube. Now children, this is the structure of ovum. You have the nucleus, you have the cytoplasm, you have the polar body over there, you have Jonah pellucidea, corona radiata. Children, these two are not required. Just a diagram of this and the cytoplasm nucleus for polar body and cytoplasm would do. Alright, just a basic diagram of the female ovary. Now, very important is that I forgot to mention in the last class, in the June class, the cervix. A cervix that is in triangle is a cylindrical shaped neck of tissue that connects the vagina and the uterus. So cervix is the connector between the vagina and the uterus. Please remember this, children. Cervix, it acts as a connector between the vagina and the uterus. Define the following terms. Implantation is when a fertilized egg cell attaches to the wall of the uterus in early pregnancy. So a fertilized egg, when it gets attached to the uterus, so during the pregnancy, this is the place. So attachment of fertilized egg in the uterus is known as implantation. Gestation is the period of development during the carrying of an embryo or fetus inside mother's womb. So gestation is a full period of 9 months that your mommy keeps you inside the mother's womb for 9 months. So it's a pairing is the period of development during the carrying of an embryo or fetus inside mother's womb. So children, this is all we'll be learning for today, and location of testis, structure of sperm cell, location of ovary, structure of eggshell, just mention this one. And cervix, it's a connector between vagina and the uterus. We have implantation and gestation. So children, this is all we'll be learning for today.